Hello, welcome to today's lesson, Chainsaw Operator Safety Training and Cutting Techniques, brought to you by the HRS Group. This program is going to teach you everything you need to know to begin working with a chainsaw safely and effectively. We're going to go over the saw itself, how to take care of it, and how to properly use it to bring down a tree. You're going to be tested throughout, so it's a good idea to keep notes just in case. Let's get started with the basics. Now, throughout this program, we're going to try and impart to you a simple little acronym. ASK. ASK stands for Attitude, Skill, and Knowledge. It's through a combination of these three qualities that you're going to become not only an effective chainsaw operator, but a safe one as well. Remember, chainsaw work can be very dangerous, and without the right mix of attitude, skill, and knowledge, you can end up seriously injured, or worse. But that's where we come in. So, with safety in mind, let's look at safe chainsaw handling. Now, every chainsaw operator must make a conscious decision to do the job right every time. It's important to know a little about the saw you're using. Things like how old is it? How long since it was last maintained? Does it have important new safety features, like a chain brake or chain catcher, anti-vibration mounts, an anti-kickback chain, or a quick stop? You should ask yourself these questions every time you start chainsaw work. The safety of everyone in the work area is relying on it. Now remember to plan your work. If you know you will be alone with your saw, plan so that the slugging, heavy lifting, maneuvering, and climbing are left for when help is available. Restrict your work to that which has the lowest potential for danger. The more difficult the tree will be to topple, the greater the danger becomes. Working alone. Now, common sense tells you not to work alone when operating a chainsaw. Despite that, it happens all too often. Thus, safe handling and application is key. Make sure to carry a cell phone, a two-way radio, a GPS, or some other means of communication while working alone. And someone should always be advised of your work location and the approximate time of your return. Fatigue. Since chainsaw operation is often heavy, tiring work, fatigue can become a problem. Fatigue can cloud an operator's judgment, possibly forcing them into reducing focus or taking shortcuts. Mistakes can happen, especially near the end of a job. Some tips to reduce fatigue. First, let the log being cut support the weight of the chainsaw. Rest the saw on the body of the tree while you're limbing. And let the bucking spike support the weight while bucking. We'll talk more about that later. Now, a little on saw maintenance. Now, regardless of how the saw is used, proper routine maintenance is essential. Remember, your chain is a high-tech cutting tool, and dull, damaged teeth, or improperly set depth gauges can lead to serious mishaps. No matter the application, it's a good idea to have your saw professionally serviced.